Okay, my stationary bike has been dormant for a while now because the pedals got bad. The pedal was no longer functioning, so the bearings in here, like you see, this other one is beginning to get distorted. So the bearings here was no longer functioning, and I had to get another pedal. This is not exactly the same pedal as this one, but I think I kind of still appreciate this other kind of pedal because it's softer on the leg. If you want to stand and then ride the bike, if you're standing riding the bike, this is softer on your foot unless you have to wear a shoe. But if you're on your bare feet and you want to pedal this bike with this other pedal, you're gonna find it very stressful because it's harder on your feet. Okay, because I think of all these ages and all of that, but this is smoother. So I'm still going to buy this other pedal from China, but in the meantime, this was ordered in and I had fixed the pedal. It's not actually difficult to fix the pedal. So this bearing here, you just have to fix the notch here, and then everything is okay. So my seat was also not pretty well looking good, so I had to buy a seat cover. It has a little foam and cushion to make it softer on my ass, nigga. So as you can see, my stationary bike is back again, so I can resume my pedaling. For a while now I have not been exercising, so I think now that it's back, I can go back to my exercising and exercise my knee. So guys, that's why some of the things you don't even need to go to a technician or somebody to fix them for. You can do this thing yourself at home. But if you want me to show you how I actually fix this pedal, then I could just do a random new video to show how this pedal was fixed. But as you can see, it's working perfectly and everything is back to normal. So as I'm standing right now, it's painful on my feet. My feet are aching. All right, so this is a bookless pedal. This is what I'm going to be using in the meantime. At least my exercise regime will begin again. So every morning and every evening, I'm going to ride this bike once more to stay fit.